Hi everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia.turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today I'm in a very special building which calls Belgrave House in Oval. This building used to be a children's hospital built in 1926 and then converted in luxury flats in 1990s. So if you would like to see one-bedroom apartment in this building and then to go to a communal terrace which is overlooking skyline of London, keep watching. There are 48 flats in the building. You have a porter on site from Monday until Friday. And also as a resident, you have access to this amazing rooftop terrace, which is overlooking London skyline. We are next to the tube station, which is Oval Tube Station, where you have a Northern Line. And you have on every Saturday, farmers market, which is very famous, where you can buy fresh fish, vegetable, empanadas, juices, halva and so on. So if you would like to try it and you are nearby, definitely I will recommend you to go there. Upon entering the building, you have this amazing arched hallway and you will come to a beautiful staircase. Look around. We are in a one-bedroom and one-bathroom apartment which has around 540 square feet and it comes with storage. As you can see, this is a west side and through the large windows you have plenty of natural light coming in. The living room is very spacious and I really love these double high ceilings, and there is a mezzanine split level in the kitchen which you can use literally for sitting and reading book there and relaxing, or you maybe can put there like extra storage in your flat, which it's never enough to have an extra storage and it's great to have an extra room. In the kitchen, you have a built-in appliances like microwave, and then you have actually under-counter fridge, freezer, dishwasher, you have a washing machine here, hob and oven. There is a sink as well, so it's plenty of space for your cooking and preparing your eggs for breakfast. And then let me take you to a dining area, which is over here. It's very spacious, amazing. I do have some food here because today we had the open house. So if you haven't joined us, please contact me and definitely book a viewing because it's a beautiful flat. Are you fancy of cold pressed organic juice or empanadas? Definitely visit famous farmers market. You have an arched bookshelf here, which if you like to read, you have plenty of space, or maybe just to put some vase. There is an extra room which you can use it for office, or you can make it as a walk-in closet. Let me take you to a bedroom. This beautiful bedroom has amazing makeup area, which I really love. And there is a king-size bed as well, which you can fit in. Or previously, it was actually used as a wardrobe or like walk-in wardrobe. There were from floor up to the ceiling large wardrobes and staircase just over here. And the top mezzanine area was used for a sleeping area. So there was a bed with bedside table. I can imagine to change the staircase. So we will put the staircase like this, so we still can keep a large bedroom with a king-size bed. And then if you go up, maybe you can put some shelving units or some chest of drawers, so you can still have like extra storage or maybe like closet, because you have a window there as well, which is nice to have. And now let me take you to bathroom. Bathroom has a good size. It comes with a sink. There is a heater for your towels. Bathtub with beautiful curtain, so I feel like on holiday. And then toilet. In the hallway you have intercom, and let me show you extra storage next to the flat. This property is available for sale and I'm the listing agent, so if you'd like to know more details or to see a 360 virtual tour, just click here and you will be feeling like you are here. There is a lift in the building, but I would like to show you a staircase because it looks amazing. And red carpet. Flat, you have a street market during the weekend where you can try different food. You have a coffee or like empanadas. We also bought halva, it is chocolate pistachio. I want to try that because I never tried before. And yeah, you have just Oval Tube Station just here. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!